Looking for the quickest way to connect in 2025 and beyond? Our honest Tinder review reveals why it's still considered the ultimate hookup app, even as the platform evolves. Despite its corporate efforts to appear more relationship-focused, Tinder remains the undeniable go-to for rapid-fire connections, especially popular among college students. You might be surprised to learn it has facilitated over 97 billion matches worldwide, proving its enduring popularity for casual encounters. Experts consistently praise Tinder for its speed, ease, and reliability in finding quick one-nighters. Crucially, Tinder is making significant strides in user safety with new mandatory facial recognition, face check, for all new U.S. users, which has already drastically reduced reports of bad actors. They're also testing an innovative AI, chemistry, feature to improve matches based on your camera roll interests, potentially saving you from endless swiping. Discover how the hidden, free tonight feature can unlock spontaneous weekend plans. If you're ready to dive into the world of casual dating with enhanced safety and smarter matching in 2025, check out the links in the description below to get started with Tinder today.